In this video will not be long, like 4 minute videos, right? So we have to go through how you can make money on affiliate marketing within the 30 days of you getting started. Even if you are an expert in this video is for you two guys, so that you can learn more about how you can start making money daily. In this current situation of how things is going now, you need to have a side hustle that can bring money for you even when you are at work. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing, right, and how I make money on affiliate marketing. Okay, so I made a lot of money from this affiliate marketing, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys and tell you how you too can start affiliate marketing today and you start making money. So for a beginner, in this first series of this video, we are going to talk about what affiliate marketing is and how you can do it, and we move next forward in our next video, right? So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is something like you partner with someone to sell their product and you earn commission whenever the customers buy from the vendor, right? So you become a middleman, right? So when it comes to affiliate marketing, what do you need? Okay, so you just need to promote other people's products online. And you earn commissions per sales you made, right? So if you don't make sales, you don't make money. That's what affiliate marketing is. That's why I say a lot of people call affiliate marketing a scam, which affiliate marketing is not, right? So you just need to learn how these things is working so that it works for you, right? So what you need to do is to recommend other people's products to another people that need the product. Okay, and when the transaction was successful between the vendor and the customer, you get commission per the sales that they made. That's what affiliate marketing is. And affiliate marketing is something like maybe like someone is selling movie, right? So you can become an affiliate with that person to help the person sell the movie, right? So or if you have someone that's selling physical products, maybe like clothes, shoes, you help that person to sell all these things. Whenever you make sales, you get commission. Or you sell an ebook online or courses online or live webinars online and you make money with it. The reason why I recommend affiliate marketing for you guys is that for a beginner, you don't need to create products, you don't need to have that product on your own, right? So you just need to partner with someone, right? And it's easy for you to get started with little amount. Don't let anybody deceive you that you can start affiliate marketing without money. No, you still need money for you to get started. But the money is not that you put it online. So it's for you. Maybe you want to do data, you want to run advert. If you see that organic traffic is not working well for you, you want to run advert, so you use money in that way to help you boost your sales fast, right? No customer service needed, right? When you are doing affiliate marketing, all what you need is just your smartphone and your data connection. Then you need your WhatsApps and your social media that you wanted to use to promote the product that you wanted to be selling, right? So, how do you start affiliate marketing today? That's the best question. So, if you don't know what to do and how to start affiliate marketing, go to the comment sections. Let me know what you need. If you are someone that have been into affiliate marketing and doesn't make sales, let me know in the comment sections, right? So, I know what to talk about in my next video on the second series of this video, right? Before you jump into affiliate marketing, you need to think and choose on what type of product can you promote, like can you start with and you start making money with. So you need to have the specific product that I want to promote. Like me, when if I want to do anything affiliate that become like affiliate marketing right now, I choose a product of making money niche like finance and tech, right? So everything about making money, that's what I do. If you go to this YouTube channel, you see that everything that I do video on this YouTube is all about making money, how you make money, right? So that's why if I want to partner with an affiliate, it will be about making money like finance and tech and all other stuffs, right? So what you need to do is that you sign up on a particular platform that you like, right? There's a lot of affiliate programs on all these platforms because Jumia have an affiliate platform, Hunger have affiliate platform, GG have affiliate platform. If you go to those web hosting, they have affiliate, right? So they have affiliate. I think we have normal affiliate marketing platform too, which is like Xpartner, Digistem, Seller, Stakehold, and others too, right? So you can just choose the one that it suits you best, that you can start with, that will be easy for you. Alright. So do your research about the platform that you want to join. There are some free and there are some paid that you need to pay for you to join. Right. So if you are someone that doesn't have money to get started, I will still recommend you go for a stake court, right? So In my next video, I'll show you guys how you can start and build your affiliate marketing and how you can build your brand around this affiliate marketing to start making more sales. So, if you find this video helpful, kindly share with others. Let them benefit from this affiliate marketing series that we wanted to start, right? So that you can understand well about affiliate marketing. So, affiliate marketing is something that is sweet that will give you money within just few days of getting started once you understand it very well. So kindly hit the subscribe button and like this video, then drop your comment in the comment sections on what you think about affiliate marketing and how you can grow on affiliate marketing. Let's help others too, right?